sure what's ahead of her, but she knows what's behind. She knows the colors that she loves and she likes the frame of her mind. She knows the melodies that wake her every morning for her to find. And she likes to move her skirt to a rhythm, her feet to a rhyme. Well, what's a girl to do when music is the blood that she bleeds? And what's a girl to do when she's tangled in the weeds of existence? Tell me, what's a girl to do when she's silenced in the world that she knows? She's got a step, she's got a step, she's got a step to the bank of her soul. She's got a step, she's got a step, she's gotta meet the voice that controls. Whoa, whoa. When you get your freedom back, hang your prisoner up on the wall. It's you who will decide next time you tumble and fall. I think you know exactly just where you should start. Go on, go on, let the seas part. Well, I took a trip down south and I learned of new ways in the world. I learned that slow is cleaner, better, and it gives you more time to know. I drank some whiskey in a farmhouse and I put on a show under the brightest stars that I've ever seen. You gotta step, you gotta step, you gotta step to the bank of your soul. You gotta step, you gotta step, you gotta meet the voice that controls.
Oh,